Hi friends, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on WordPress web hosting, and you will see how fast they are and how they can install on their NVMe SSD hard drive your website. So let's get started. So once you are logged into your account, then just come on to log into your control panel, that button, click on it. After that, when you are here, just go down and find Softaculous Apps Installer. Here you will see WordPress, click on it. As you can see, it is working very fast. So now we are going to install and see how fast is installation. Install now, click on it, and then we are just going to see which domain we are going to use. So we will be using our main domain, and certificate is installed. So you see HTTPS, and here as well HTTPS. So if there is any directory, you just need to delete, because we are going to install on the main domain. So the version we are going to install WordPress 6.7, which is 2024 end of November version. Here you can provide any information of your site, description, whatever you like, admin, and then this is the password. We are going to just copy this password in a safe place, and then this is your email address. Everything is automatically set it up for you by WordPress web hosting, and you can see they are also providing some plugins. If you want to install any plugin, for example, I'm going to install email with SMTP. I'm just going to click on it. This will be installed. Same thing for this plugin, and improve page speed, backups, improve website ranking, drag and drop. So I'm going to choose all of them, and we will see after installation how they look like. Now we are going to press install, and then now the magic is started. You see the speed of installation. Now it is installed within 5 seconds. As I told you, I will be showing you how the plugins were installed. So we are just going to click on this link, which is showing easysavers.com/wp-admin. This process helps you to choose professional templates. If you want to choose any templates for your website or install any other plugins or theme, then you can just click get started, or if you have your own. So I will not be choosing in this video that option to install any kind of templates. So I will choose no. I don't want to try an easy setup process, because I'm just going to show you how it is working. So as you can see in your plugins, once you go in on the left hand side, plugins, and click on it, you will see here so many plugins. If you find any plugin is not installed or updated properly, so you just click on this button, go in bulk action, update, select, and apply. So what it will do, it will update your current WordPress installation. So that's for today on WordPress web hosting installation of latest WordPress application. So if you like this video, please thumbs up, share this video to others. I will provide you the links that might help you to install and purchase and make an account or grab the deals. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.